that probably goes without saying, but does that mean that Bok won't get mindset?
No, I mean, obviously when it's on, we would love him to exploit when it's on. I think one of the, just Sasha is injured, Kieran playing for us there, of course, Moni had a full season at Japan and he's always very fit, and we had 1 week more to prepare with him than we had with Handré because the Bulls were playing still in the final. So, we all know the way Moni plays, so hopefully when it's on, he does, but obviously we would like to play a game that we control. And I'm pretty sure England's going to make it tough for us there, but a selection that we think fit for this game, and if the game really opens up, which I think England will try and do, I think Moni is the right guy for that.